Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for joining us for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter 1 for Tori, we talk palava mash. Where that work people them, where they work for side, where they make planty soccer and banana. They don't already enter number 10 moon, where they never pay them. Sote to them, money, he never so enter for their qua. We the turn back for that side, for talk say the palava, he don't overtake. As we minister for palava scientific research, ESSF, he get for check as we go do the work in the proper. Now so too we go talk for now, as we waiting. Prayer for say make peace, he enter for country. It happened yesterday from Bangam. Now for say make the palava for Norwest and Southwest, he try for stop. As we the one this come, na time to way, a day so people them for educate plenty of them where they be shidon for inside Bangam. They don't start come out. But Sabi say sorry heart aya abinem. Every day for give them small malam for that size of from Banga yesterday. Now so minister too for Palava College book man Nalova Pauline Youngam. He don't talk say for the way we school them for Norwest and Southwest they don't enter DM. Now so today the see say result for exam them for this year it go work fine. All this story then so we go bring them for now for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say anyway, I say anyhow, where woman a lack a massa or even a passe, it no go ever fit for talk or a bottom belly. I say anyhow, where woman a like whether na massa or na small massa for outside, it no go ever fit for talk a bottom belly for that man. Natanda Nditefe, notable for Bonaberi, is same with big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Plenty glad. Number 2 time we dey meet up for today. Number 4 day for inside the week. Tori go start now for that side of on Jombe country people them. Sabi say we don't dey talk. Palava di work people them. Where they dey work for place where they dey look out soccer them for planty and even one them for banana. If you read all the things the way they don't write them for them, they dey try for beg. Nkunkuma name dey. Madam Madeleine Twente, when a minister for scientific research in name today. So today, these people the way they cry for palava say they never pay them salary for 10 moon. They never so see 1 franc on top their table. Now chop that way it is spoiled for that side. For Sika say all the work people them. They don't deny say they no go work again. Plenty in the 4 careless and even place where they look at the planty, the small see them for planty. Now then that all that place so they don't just leave them. It means say if as well they don't stop the work, no man in no day for look at them. Now so they planty then too they go just die one day they fit die, and now so to the one day they will grow so they no man in no go fit for carry and for year e go plant am. Sabi say na for year they look at am small before they can plant and now then planty or banana e comot big as well e be with the sea and so plenty. So te now that they cry they never hear them. Rain e fall, breeze e pass, throw away planty carelessly. So plenty planty them and banana then they don't just throw away for inside the place where they call and say kebab. You see they talk say make popo sesep, it can't help them. Already 10 moon, they don't change now to 10 moon. Every day 9 moon, now they don't enter now for 10 moon. Madeleine 20 sesep, they call name, say make it enter for inside the palava, it talk in the proper. Now part them that for people them and even mommy them or na part them, brother them where they take money for that side before they send them for outside for say make they give them for family people them. But so now they never fit for solve their problem and the thing it don't go now only for bad. All the one they saw how it go make them make country it go for before for 2035. Now the big question that when we know the fit for lookout even with small thing then we will get them for inside and to really the enter for here the talk say inside this place since nothing will concern Africa say African country they can be big man say now they turn for Cameroon to for big man for inside there. Now Cameroon it don't spoil all thing. Yes, Cameroon it don't spoil all thing just for lookout on small thing. People they don't sit down for 10 moon. They never get money. Now planting them that they for carelessly. And the money this will come to the losser. Money will come to the losser. And so no ever sabi for make a binet. Now so all that would open our eye them. Madeleine 20, they talk say make you camp with your mom. Nkunkuma, your name today they say can't help them. Repeat we talk.
Don't come, they don't come work, man go Congo come, they won't come. Cameroon go leave place for say it will take them. Since we did, time we foreigner they come work, they want begin follow. I say they follow as they start to they talk. They know they want and foreigners they go. So all that thing they don't make them. We don't get Mubambo, we don't get Diouf, or they don't come. Diouf we been a Senegalese. Mubambo we did which country? It we don't go. We don't remain so. No nothing no day.
Now, I don't just talk something for ye palava as with that place. People the way they look at them, according to it we hear, they say na turn by turn. Today, if you been a chat, we go be big man on top the place. He look at the place. Tomorrow na Central Africa. After tomorrow, if you be person for Congo. But now, so they try for tell we say Cameroon. Now they look at the place. Now they don't go over. But the man, add this on talk on all that talk.
The way they do now for before all na Cameroonians direct on a Cameroonian. They say na Cameroonian. They say I will mean say bad chair person when I the government all has na minister for research na Cameroonian. You go for corner. Now only scientific director where they don't give them for foreigner who they look and say you get no nothing for talk because time where the she also they come you talking no nothing. Man where they control money na Cameroonian. All post na Cameroonian. No one foreigner not there again. Now why that we don't make and they look the other people the way they will be for them and say na Semak or they don't go no country no agree for give money because say all Cameroonian they don't take and she don't on top.
Very good. And na so as well they should on top the money, na so to work people them for that side, for that place where they look out plenty and banana sucker them. They go so she done for one side, they no go fit for do no nothing. Now so make we take una enter for inside Banga. We come on Jombe with the end from Banga side. Wait for inside Banga for a DOE office. Sabi say the plenty people them where they be run come up for that side for Ediki. Plenty of them. Tori enter for EM. They don't already start turn back for different places. Plenty of them. They never so turn back for Ediki. Someone they will so meet them for that side. So for Bangam, Ebidena yesterday call the people them will be land so for that side for Bangam. We Oga Aya Abine Sesep. We na Pikin and a man where they talk for Abine family for Aya family. He don't come for can look the people them for can give them small chop as we he don't ever the get sorry hard for all other people there. So he bring them small chop yesterday. We even as we plenty more of them they already come out. Every day na big large for the population where they come out for Ediki where they she done now for inside party house. Sabi say for inside the chapter chop it dey come any kind of side where people necessarily they get sorry heart they carry chop for can give the one the way they so left for that side. Now so two people then two for Red Cross they do their work for say make sick e no catch any man so every day they dey struggle for spray the place. Now picking them through that where they already take that place like their own house. See the one them they know they go school they dey talk for their confidence way they go school. So now they live that way they now so for Ediki but Sabi say the one way be pass it be then a the big dash we picking for Ayapol Abine Sesep it be there for that side for go give the people them small chop for inside Banga side. Make we hear wait way Abine talk for we for Jackie Nomolo in microphone.
They don't be here since Friday because peace not the key for the moment. So we can give them small support. We'll be very glad for CC the super-prefect for Banga don't do a lot of work. We don't really receive them in a very good condition up to now. We just hope and pray say plenty other people than for Banga and for Cameroon that they can't help these people they are in very deplorable and worrying conditions.
Yes, after we be talk with Abine Sesep when Aya Ipikin when a talkman for Aya family will be microphone to be for Dima him up. Jacquino Molom is sending microphone for some other person for that side so for Edikiwe Dishidon for inside Banga. A prayer and say make peace. A last turn back so that he go turn back for his own town when na Ediki. Make we hear.
5 days today. So as we go for not get no problem. The people they keep aware. So we just see for the wait to see what if anything go wrong. If anything go wrong, then we will still be here. But if not, no day, then we'll try to see how we go back to the space. To invite government to say maybe try to see intervene to the matter.
Yes, na person and that, and a person that for Edikiwe then said the social prayer for Ngomna, say make Ngomna try for do something for say make peace, it has enter for inside town. Now, as well this palaver they happen, prayer, pastor them, even Reverend Father them, all them, they don't need put their need them for ground, put their hand them for up, for look for Papa God for say make the thing pass. Now for Sika that way church, special church, it be passed for that side so from Banga yesterday. This church time now for say make all of church people them, they join them up, sing song for top for Papa God, say make he send his own spirit for ground. And the spirit na say waiting, the person way he go come for can help them for say make palava for northwest and southwest it is stop. And Sabi say the one it happen way plenty for people them they don't run camp for that side so from Banga, so it be been a time for pastor for church for put your hand for up a call Papa God, say Papa God send we Holy Spirit, send we solution medicine for this sick way it don't pass for that side so for northwest and southwest. Big prayer where it be pass and now for say make peace. It has turned back for the two places them with trouble. It don't already she done for the past 2 years. Sabi says also for inside the chapter for prayer for Douala yourself. Next week for start sick and yourself, we go get big prayer we get for Pastor Day. Now so for say make peace it come and order to read the way go pass for that side. Small una go sabiam. Make we hear some small picky way be come out for church from Bangam. Waiting there for inside the mind after we come out for call Papa God in name.
That situation where you see for southwest, northwest, we pray me all that situations change because we see that village where they do attack. They sleep from Banga now. We deploy me all thing change. We deploy me the officer they find some solution for that problem so that all my see for it.
Yes. And we'll be talked to for some one man way this done for inside Banga, waiting it take the ICM as we enter for Banga.
I see something yesterday when I go Banga. I see how people they sleep for horse for super fair. People then tell me say now people they run for a dicky. Me I wonder me, surprise me. I say that's way he come up for day, he don't start come for research. How we go do? So many people they try. May God send peace. Say vraiment Dante stop. Because if you not stop, all we for ya we go suffer. Tombe day can't place. They will come on for this time and for this time and for this side. So may they try for.
Make we left chapter for Banga and Jombe side we na work for Jacquino Molon. Make we enter now so for inside chapter for Douala. We be telling now as we ground he swallow some 2 people them yesterday na for Lokpom na the people that walked in and that where they be dig some hole and that guata hole they be dig e be dey like say they be want put some other foundation for that side. Now for the way as well they dig ground except it come up for up so it cover all the people then so for inside that hole where they be digging yesterday. So it be been a big cry as soon as they see that also it be then a big cry yesterday as well they so this thing it be passed so for that side so for Lokpom now for inside Douala here where the thing pass for its day. Now so 2 people them Captain Afo Hansen in Lamboy them and SSF Army Rescue even police people them SSF with their own work now for the local population. All them they be there for that side as well they get for see as well they go help for commander people the way they don't bury them inside ground. Sabi say the people them now people the way they so they be walk na their walk and na walk we normal after all thing they be get for take money and na so to population it be come out for say make they see as well this thing it pass for that side so for Lokpom as well I talk for now people the way they so they be the dig ground as well they be the dig ground now so to the ground it turn it throw on top them. So now the 2 people that die body that and one of the person wey die for that place it don't left for back 6 picking them. Yes, one of the person he get 6 picking them wey he don't left for back. So that 6 picking them now who go look at them now the big question that way people that they ask them big losses where that family don't losses as well the man he don't die left is 6 picking them for back with even a woman and they be dead and 2 where they be there for inside this chapter. So big cry with plenty people there they be come up, family people them and quarter people them they be come up for cry, as well as people them for army rescue. They be go help for commander people them. It be then a big struggle, big struggle on the people them before they be dig commodity people them for underground. Now population says for that side, it can take shovel or thing for check as well they go dig ground after the ground take fall onto their skin. And sabi say even as well they don't put that place is also there for danger. See that block on the sea and so on, that block now another man a house away, it don't turn up so for day, and it go be in a big trouble for people them for that side. So for Lokpom just for corner day where they be dig that place, and man another house at where it just turn up for corner where it means in a big danger for other people the way it is, so they don't come for cash down for that place. So call the people them big die. Now need that now time that they dig die body them for move and for outside where ground it don't cover all them. So for that side, so for Lokpom now big die where it pass so or big losses where it happen for that side for Lokpom. It be there yesterday, and sabi say workman person wey be get the workplace so now they never fit for sabi say way e dey. Make we take una discover some village wey dey na for that side. So for day na Badionzu na the name that for the village. Badionzu for inside that village na chapter for waiting suffer with that village. It is suffer sabi say na village wey Papa God it don't really help the people them, but they no get. I say the village they no get. First, roads e no dey for inside the village. Water e no dey for inside the village. See some people they carry water. They say now number 21st century Cameroon, see side they carry water. If pikin go for them for go carry water, Tombosai. See hospital for people them. Bush it don't cover the whole place. Now primary school that. And primary school self teacher they know the day. And pikin the way they want go school, they must walk for 16 kilometers. If you join all the time they go worker. So all the one they so now where the population for Badionzu for inside in day they beg semen governor and make their own people the way they dey for on top stick for plum. Make they help them. Say 21st century they don't fit the suffer. See one way they care for carry water no dey comot for day. Even tap water no dey comot. Hospital na bush e don cover the whole place. Small time snake go gree enter. School sef e no dey for the place con the people. So all the one dem so na where this population for that side so for Badionzu where e dey for west region dem say they dey beg say make their big people dem or country people dem dey for outside make they can help them. Say they don tire make they can help them. Better chop dey for the place. Tomato dey. Cocoa dey, plantain dey. Wetin you want chop wey no dey for village? Road no dey, water no dey. See side pikin dey carry water. Pikin enter for inside that whole house na big trouble. Big trouble con the people dem. Make we left that people dem. We sabi say they get big people dem for outside wey dey follow this chapter. Now, palava for college book country people. Make we go for Yawende. As wey pikin dey school for Yawende, na so too the school dey happen for Douala. But for that side for Northwest and Southwest, according to this big woman, it's a school if they get for compare for 2017 and 18. Say the year school it don't work fine for Northwest and Southwest. Say the kind percentage of people there they don't go school. Now Palava college people them delegate them all they come even the one to for Southwest the day for talk say they so they get 2 places. And all the one they be been for before my minister na Loval Yonga way na the local college book Palava for country now. And he say a glad plenty for Sika say when you compare for 2017 2018 he say the school it don't enter plenty, and if the check say as well school don't enter plenty for Northwest and Southwest now total result for the year for all exam them it go work fine. Now for Sika why that way all people the way they concern for college book they be meet up for that side so for Yawende and now for check as well the school year it don't pass. And how we exam them, as we exam the cancel more time, how people then too they prepare for exam. Palava for press card, Tori people their own card. That one Tori people their own identity card. Big man for commission for Tori people their own identity card. A bibito yesterday for Yawende. Oga Severin Chunke and the other combi them. They be meet up for Yawende yesterday for talk the chapter for Tori card for Tori people them. And according to where they come up for that meeting, they talk. They say they be get 60 document them where they get look inside that 60 document dem for tori people there they want their own identity card for say they be tori people dem they say they 12 they 12 for one side 28 e dey kampe then so other one the way they take but they never finish for bring all book them. So they talk say any tori man wey e no get tori identity card na that make e forget for sika say wetin for sika say if ndambadi enter Cameroon for 2019 e no get tori card make you try am for one side. They talk say any man to get the tori card they don dey make bobo with other small company dem for corner wey they go dey give dash. E mean say if you get for pay like some 50,000 e mean say they fit cut am so around they pay sef even 30,000. So na the small dash and that way you go get am for people the way they get tori card. And they talk say small time any tori man wey no get this tori identity card say make you forget e no go fit for enter for no place. Yes, e no go fit for enter for no place. So na the bibi ndongamen that way Oga Severin Chunke wey he say na the big man for inside tori people their palava for give them tori identity card. E don talk am. So na for talk say even tori man sef ambassador if you wan go do some work wey you no get that tori card e no go fit for go no place. Na so they don talk am no. 2019 na the first time that thing go happen na that time wey tori people dey go wash say no e mean say Cameroon na serious people dem. They say if you no get your tori identity card they never talk say identity card for country or a vote identity card no be na even passport tori identity card if you no get am you no go enter for no place. Na tori people their own identity card that if you no get am you forget. Na so they don talk no na me I talk am. Make we enter now so for that side where they call am say we go for Edeya for Young and Kele division for talk Palava road. Sabi say Kunkuma aon gomna e wan make some long road. Work people dem for that side they don dey get problem. This problem na say village people dem wey they don cut their land. They dey talk say wetin say they never finish for compensate them. So for sika that one work they don dey disturb work. Now for sika why that way Oga SDO for Young and Kele where they call it Oga Peter Chende he say he become for day for can talk with these country people them. These country people they talk say wetin say since when they start work they don't start for Peka 0 go for Peka 20 now Peka 20 smarter they go for Peka 40 money they never see am for compensate them way they don't take their landing. So now for sika why that way they can't hold the people them and they say on top that one the work people they don't promise them company be promise say go give them things like better roads water and even lights all that one they so they never see them. Then the people they try for talk say work people they dey for inside the workplace for the our long roads where they come out here when they for reach Odwala they say na only country people them for the company they did but the big man talk say that one na big pom. Say 90% for work people them for inside a company for a place where they work this road. Say they did them Cameroon people them. So you know understand why they talk say they need to take their own village people them for work. So inside all the chapter they don't talk say okay they go try for see how so they go compensate people the way they never finish compensate them. Now for sika why the Oga SDO say it become for inside that chapter for talk am in the proper. So make we talk Palava and Ndamba now so. Result for number 15 day for Ndamba wey it happened yesterday. Future 2 Stade na North, Fuvu North, Bambutus North, UMS 1, Young Sport Academy North, Aigle North, Fortuna 1, Dragon 2, New Stars North, Colomb 1, Astre 2, Apejes 1, Unisport 1, Edin 1, Union 1. Then today for that side for Gadwa, Cotton Sport e go the Tokam Goods for Yawende Foot. Now the last number that. Sabi say if Cotton Sport win, it means say they go back for number 1 place. But if they no win, as well UMS zone she done for the Cotton Sport go only remain for under. So now so the number pass yesterday and today Cotton Sport say e go knock e own Ndamba in the proper. Newspaper then too they get their own tori for talk. May we see what they talk this afternoon. The Sun newspaper wey dey for outside this afternoon. E say wetin? Say una dey kampe inside Kamamburu people their hand. Yes. Una dey kampe for inside Kamamburu people's their hand. Na talk that way big man for Kamamburu people them. He talk am as way he waka go for northwest and he go for southwest. So for inside the Sun newspaper, you go read tori wey dey talk say wetin Grand Atango dey blame me for the war result wey SDF dey get for inside the Senate vote wey e pass. Na talk that way Secretary General for SDF e talk am say Grand Atango e she don on top money wey dey give am for people dem say make dey take make am do campaign. Inside the Sun newspaper, you go read tori wey e talk say some comrade their own sense man. E don talk say wetin say na for Sika war break and for Sika say dey pack plenty people dem inside train. Na the thing that way cause train for craze for that side so for Ezeka for 2016. So for inside the Sun, you go read tori wey concern Professor Victor Julius Ngo wey na big man for inside chapter for school. He talk say if today God e take ye, say make they forget, make they not do any academic honor for your name. According to wey the Sun newspaper, e talk am this time. And inside the Sun, you go read tori wey concern Palava, the first woman DO wey she done for that side. So for inside Kumba 3, where they don't put it for chair. They calling her Epole Ewanem, where they put it for chair for she done for the same chair where Jude Ewanem be she done for that side. So for Meme division, where na Kumba 3 subdivision. Make we enter now so for inside the Guardian Post where e dey for outside country people them. The Guardian Post where e dey for outside country people them. E talk say wetin inside the Guardian Post. E say court e don give order say make university for Boya peoples. Make they just stop that way. They say the one comot or Ekema Patrick e decree the way get am for university for Boya. Then on top that one court e don drag a ear. He say make university people dem she don quiet when they hold their quiet meeting dem for inside, make dem no talk for people dem for outside. Inside the same tori you go read am as wey dey talk say some woman e kill im master for Douala here for Sika waiting. For Sika say if you wan go take another woman bring her for house, but the other one e dey come with some other Betty man e dey talk say wetin e dey wan divorce. For Sika say a woman wey take im money marry am, e dey look out na passe for outside pass itself for inside house. Inside the same tori for Palava politic, you go read tori wey concern Kamto wey itself e decline now so after a Secretary General e go for by force pension for Cameroon Renaissance Party. So na the tori then that wey e dey so for inside the Guardian Post wey e dey for outside today. The post weekend SSF e dey for outside. The last story we look for inside na the post weekend waiting there for inside the post weekend for today. One of the strong member for inside Kontutuna Council they calling na Professor Nkwi. He don't talk say wetin say he go the work na for people them and no be na for Nkunkuma. Yes, he say go the work now for people, no na for Nkunkuma. So he talks even as well they don't put it for inside Constitutional Council. Say that one, he no mean say must to support Nkunkuma for all the way they do am. So for inside the post weekend they tell we as well Kamaburu people then thief, they born, and on top that one, they suffer people then for Njotin, Ninong, for that side so for Northwest. For the place where read for the post weekend you go read tori where it talk as we waiting. It talk as we CPD and SSF their own horse for Bamenda for Mbanga. Now where they don't take up for help people them where they run come up for that side for Ediki. So now all the tori then that kind of people them where we take up for now for newspaper this afternoon. As well the talk make una dey prepare for Sika say thing they go happen 2018. Plenty thing that go dey happen. Con the people them now so we see tori for inside tori house here. Other tori they go come again for inside tori house. I be say the big one. It go be now for 6 o'clock. Queen Elisa a country talk. 8 o'clock now for Emmanuel Macron a country talk. Ambassador go turn back now sote for some time. Make una hold am tight.